Hello, this is Petros. I'm producing music as an Echonomist. We are here at my studio in Thessaloniki. We are going to show you how I produced and arranged two finished tracks. One track I already released on Innervisions, the name is Planeless Sky. How I produced it, how I arranged the drums, recorded my synthesizers. Then we are going to check another track that it's going to be released by the time that the video is going to be out. Then we are going to start the track from scratch. You are going to see the whole creative process to produce tracks here at my studio. And I hope you enjoy.